Is your external component the Accwiz Library DLL not found? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. I'm here to help you re-establish Accessibility Wizard links. Before we begin our Accwiz library walkthrough, you can try the suggested utility to help clear environment conflicts and save time. This is the Accwiz library, the Microsoft Access Wizard Controls library. It manages unmanaged UI templates and logic for Access database wizards. It facilitates the orchestration of automated table, query, and form link manifests within the Office environment. Knowing the file's purpose is helpful, but now we need to physically restore it. Accwiz is required for Accessibility Wizard to function properly. Downloading and reinstalling the current official version of Accessibility Wizard will repair missing or broken application files. In the event the error remains visible, it indicates we need to verify the environment's ability to register new shared resources. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the Accwiz library file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page or hit the like button before restarting. That way, you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. I know it's frustrating if the restart didn't work, but don't worry. We have a more advanced solution ready. If you need to pause the video to take a breath, please do. If you're still seeing that runtime message post-restart, it's time to reinstall the shared library components. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. To protect your system architecture, I have a few recommendations regarding file authenticity. Keep in mind that Accwiz Library DLL must be properly registered with the Windows registry. Simply dragging and dropping the file into a folder rarely fixes the root cause of the error. Let's conclude by looking at how a system maintenance utility can help keep your performance optimized and your libraries synchronized. For users seeking improved system clarity, the diagnostic tool in the description references the Accwiz library environment. Thank you for trusting us with your system repair today. For more configuration tips and Accwiz library error resolutions, don't forget to like and subscribe.